Arabian birds. This is the Middle East. It is very hard to survive in this hot, dry land. This little creature, known as the Arabian bird, manages to survive in this difficult environment. This is because these birds have a wonderful solidarity and cooperation among themselves. They do almost everything together. This includes washing themselves. After washing themselves, they sunbathe. While the birds are drying their wings, they also clean one another. This is very important for their health. Without tiring or losing their enthusiasm, they groom one another. Among Arabian birds, there is also a division of labor. For example, the whole flock working together finds food for the young. Later, the collected food is shared equally. The responsibility for guarding the flock is also shared equally. Every bird takes its turn keeping watch from the top of a tree. When it comes time to change the guard, the new sentry brings a portion of the food to its waiting friend and takes over the watch. This guard is of vital importance for the safety of the flock. The Arabian bird on guard duty immediately sounds the alarm when danger comes. The whole flock comes together to protect themselves. They make their enemy uncomfortable and distract its attention. When the danger is over, life returns to normal. The guard on duty returns to its place. The chicks start to play with one another. Very well. How have these birds come to have such a strong sense of solidarity with one another? The birds you see are all animals without consciousness. Why do these animals keep guard over their friends? You would expect it to fly off and find enough food to fill its own stomach. But, contrary to this expectation, it shows great self-sacrifice. Without eating a thing, it does guard duty like a soldier with great determination. Who teaches these birds their sense of self-sacrifice? Who commands them to put themselves in danger for the sake of their friends? Certainly it is Almighty God, who gives these little birds, which He created from nothing, their sense of community, solidarity, and self-sacrifice.